Hello, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Bliss. In this video, you learn how to create simple birthday design without wasting much time. Let's start. So set your dimension to 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. Give the name of your document. So in my case, I will name it Birthday. Set the color mode to RGB. Click on Create. Click Adjustment Layer, then choose Solid Color. Choose this color for your background. Now it is time to add your background. I will import the abstract background. Make the abstract background fit your document. Add small blur to it by clicking on the filter blur Gaussian blur. Set the value to 2.0, then click on OK. Let me arrange my workspace. Now reduce the opacity of the asset to 30 pixels. Then go to Text and type +1. Change the font size and the font family. Change the color of the text to deep green. Press Ctrl T and rotate the text. Add small blur to it by clicking on the filter blur Gaussian blur. Set the value to 6.4, then click on OK. Make 2 copies of the text and position them like this. I will group everything to make the layers look organized. Then go to Text and type Happy. After that, change the font size and the font family. Make a copy of the text, then change it to Birthday. Change its color and font. Now go to blending option. And add a stroke of 5. Go the properties of the text, then change the tracking to -10. Now add the birthday message. I will speed up here small. I will change the color for this text. Select all the text by holding the Shift key. Then group them and name it Text 1. Now I will add an ellipse here. Set the stroke and fill for it. I will then position it here. Now let's add this ellipse here. Change the color and let resize it like this. Now change its opacity to 30 and make another copy. Size the copy like this. Make another copy and resize it again. Increase its opacity to 200, then group all the small ellipses. Go to Text and the type Beauty Bliss. You can use any name dot and other not to constrain the text. Hold Shift and click before you type. Change the size and font. Change the color to white. Then go to blending option. Add a stroke of 2. And then change fill to 0. Reduce its opacity. Then make another copy by pressing Ctrl+J. Right-click and choose Clear Layer Styles. Reduce the size of the text. Make another copy and change it to the date of birth. Change the color to deep green. Now group the text and name it. We are almost done with our lesson. So at this point, I will add the picture of the birthday girl. So from here, I will make small adjustment to the work. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy it, do well and subscribe, like and comment on the video and comment. I will see you in my coming videos.